back to Wright's cooking channel. Today we're gonna cook stew peas with smoked neck bones and stew beef. So let's get started. Okay guys, this is my red peas. You call it red bean in America. So, and now I'm gonna add my smoked neck bone to the pot. And I'm gonna add my beef. And I'm gonna let this cook for at least 1 hour. I'm gonna turn on the stove on low and we'll be back. Okay guys, we are checking on our peas and our meat to see if everything is cooked. We are getting ready to season up the pot now. So I'm gonna put some carrot, cut carrot into it. I'm gonna put some onion into it as well. And this is our garlic. I already put 2 pegs of garlic in it. Just gonna squeeze it out, and I'm gonna put all of this in the pot. Okay guys, now I'm gonna start to season. Oh. I'm gonna put some black pepper into it. I'm gonna put some onion powder into it. Gonna put some garlic powder. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt, not much. And now I'm gonna make a stir. I'm gonna add some spinners into it. This is flour, just mixed with water and just a little bit of salt. So I'm just gonna spin it and put it into the red pea soup. We call it red pea soup in Jamaica. And okay guys, this is coconut milk. I'm gonna add half of this to the pot, and then I'm gonna make it cook down for at least another 30 to 40 minutes. And then this is my thyme. I'm gonna add some thyme into it. And I'm gonna cover up this and let it cook for another 30 to 40 minutes. So we'll see you then. This is our stew peas. It's cooked. It's ready. This is what it looked like. And we're gonna eat it with white rice. So I'm gonna dish you guys a plate. Okay guys, this is what it looked like. Stew peas and rice. I'm gonna give you a spoon and taste it. It's very delicious. Okay guys, I just want to thank you for watching Wright's cooking channel. Remember to like, make a comment, remember to subscribe, and remember to share. Thank you.